How to cancel YouCam Perfect subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. At the very top you'll find your Apple ID, click on it. Now head towards the option of subscriptions. Now on this page you will be able to find different sections. Under active subscription you will be able to find all of your active subscriptions. Go ahead and click on the option of YouCam. With that you will get the option of cancel subscription, click on it. With that, you'll get the pop-up, confirm cancellation, click on it. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for your YouCam. There is a great thing that you can carry on using app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the YouCam Perfect app or YouCam Perfect account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel YouCam Perfect subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.